Miss Spider's new car. We need a car just yours and mine. I mustn't screech or growl or whine. Kahiss, this speedster's charged with steam. Varoom, slow down, I'm going to scream. Squish squash, this snail's car's much too slick. Kerploosh, would Froggy do the trick? Kaboing, a hop rod fits the bill. Swoosh, please land, I'm feeling ill. This Matchbox Dream has lots of zoom. But look out for that tree, kabloom! I'll find a Chuggy Buggy yet. Put, this one will do, I bet. Beep beep, it's ours and it sounds so right. Just humming softly in the night.